what we do here is go back.
All right, so what's going on, guys? Thank you so much for tuning in again for another video. So yes, I did break my car already, but we'll get into that. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash the car. It's super dirty. I'm gonna head out to a car meet today, so I'm gonna wash it up really quick, give it a good detail, and yeah. And all right, so now it's good to go. Super clean. I spent about an hour and a half cleaning it. As you can see, the sun went down already. Couple things about the car that I need to fix is the carbon fiber roof. So it's peeling right here, so I'm gonna need to sand all this down and do a resin again. You know, long story short, I was leaving a meet last weekend that I actually did not record because I just wanted to chill, but I was leaving the meet and I kind of hit it and my car went into limp mode. So it had the engine malfunction and I freaked out. I pulled over to see what was going on. I turned it off and turned it back on and it went away. So I was like, that's weird. So then I'm like, let me see what's going on. Maybe it's misfiring. So I forward again and boom, engine malfunction. I hooked up the scanner. What came up was throttle valve monitoring or throttle, some type of throttle thing. And it said bank 2. So obviously I did my research and it seems to be that the throttle actuators are gone. So I'm gonna order both throttle actuators and just to get it out of the way because I know it's something that will fail. And it did already. So I can drive the car, it won't go into limp mode until I like floor it, or if I go into like M mode, it will go into limp mode. So I'm chilling. The car sounds good, it looks good, so you can see still glowing. But I'm gonna take it to a car meet, not do anything crazy. I'm gonna park and show you guys what we got. What's going on, guys? Good morning. We're heading out to another meet. Yesterday's meet wasn't very good, so again, I'm just gonna add this one on there. We're going to a Hinesville Cars and Coffee by it's at a Dunkin' Donuts. So I'm gonna go over there, get some coffee, food, see what cars they got. Be there for a little bit. I don't really got any friends going out there today, but let's see what's up, get some content. Crazy body kit. Is this a Liberty Walk kit? It sure is. That's the clean build with the Rahanos on air. That's clean. GT350. So before I started YouTube, I had these wheels on my F-150. Love these wheels. It's super cool. It's crazy how most of this car is just engine. Not my cup of tea, but it's dope. So I parked here because DC36 M3 has the Workmeisters. I got Workmeisters, so it's only right. Car looking clean. GT500. I don't like Mustangs, but if I were to get a Mustang, this would be it. The carbon fiber wheels with the Brembos. That's dope. Super cool.
Spend some money. You can buy a brand new bag. I'm just taking her out.
Excuse me. Pretty good meat. It's a good variety of cars. Pretty dope. Okay. different. That's pretty cool. Need a bigger tire, my boy. Got 2 C8s right here. I don't really like C8s. I did like them when it came out. It's just like, I feel like they're overplayed, but I mean, nice car. Looks very good for a Corvette. Got a Gixxer here stretched. It's badass. What's going on, guys? Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I know it's been a little bit of time since I posted something. Honestly, I've been working so much and I haven't had time to just go out to meets or just do anything to the car. So anyways, we're heading out to the Cars and Coffee that I went to like a video back or 2 videos back in South Carolina. Good amount of cars go, good quality of cars go. So again, I'll be alone, but it is what it is. I'm just gonna show up there, trying to get you guys some content, and see where it goes. Down in 5 there. All right, we just made it. This time it's super packed. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, when I pulled up, I thought this was a McLaren. It ain't. Oh shit, I got carbon fiber wheels. It looks like carbon ceramic brakes. Yeah. NSX. Smells like a new car. Don't be scared. Oh my god, it's beautiful. This is what I'm really here for. Oh my god, this is beautiful. So this is your car.
Oh, it is, yeah. It's a little hot, but yeah.
Thing was sick. I think these are F430s. I was correct. Damn, look at that exhaust. That's insane. Viper, SRT. This is a 675. Yep, 675. I'm correct. Every time I see these, it reminds me my dad had one, and these things are ridiculously fast. Insane. Oh my lord. .911 Turbo S. Oh, these are driver's cars. I need one of these in my life. Yardo. What'd you get the steering wheel at?
So the steering wheel is BMW mod. So they're a new company.
Okay.
And they the price, you can't complain at all. It is compared to that.
It's great, but it has its cons too. Oh, dude, that's dope. That's pretty fucking dope.
Getting a rework done and buy new ones. These are nice.
Yeah. Yeah.
Fully sequential as well.
Okay. Are these sequential or no?
You lost it? I'm buying my car. I don't know where you are.
This thing is dope. I love this thing. Look at the wheels. They got like slots in them for weight savings. I love this car. And something I didn't know, it's gated. That's badass. What's going on, guys? So now it's been a few hours. I left that meet, met cool people, had really good conversations. Now we're heading to a boat ramp where we're gonna meet. We're gonna meet with a few cars. I know a whole bunch of the Euro guys are gonna go, and a bunch of people that I met this morning. But we're gonna head out to this place called Tybee Island, where we're gonna cruise from Wilmington Island to Tybee as a group. It's gonna be cool. Right now it's just me and my dad. He has the F10 M5, and we have a couple friends meeting us out there, and a couple of you guys are meeting us out there, so that's gonna be freaking dope. Love this freaking color. My boy Nick's car. This thing is clean. Got my car looking pretty over there. This is what it is, the spotlight. I can't get over that color in the M4. There's so many cars out here. So, this just happened. So I'm in limp mode right now. I know exactly what it is. I need to do my, I need to do my throttle actuators. But it's just annoying that I wasn't really even hitting it that hard, to be honest. And it went in limp mode. So I'm waiting to stop. I just got a whole line of people behind me and a whole lot of people in front of me. And I don't feel like stopping right now. So I should be fine. It's gonna limp mode it to the next stop. And that's that.